Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about two best intraday talks for tomorrow for intraday trading, and also I'll be telling you about the market analysis. Okay, so today as you guys can see, the Nifty opened in a good gap up level and it couldn't sustain and it came down and touched the support level and went up. Okay, and at the end also it just closed below that high of today what it has made. Okay, so we can expect some of the down moment tomorrow maybe. Okay, so not like a huge gap down or something. It can come down and test the main support around 15,750 or 772, and from there it can go up is what my view is. So tomorrow once the market opens we'll come to know. But anyways, I'll be telling you the best support and resistance level for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the support level will be 15,817, and below this the next support will be around 15,752, and below this we can expect 15,700 to be a strong support level. Okay, and above this the resistance level is around 15,935, and above this if 16,000 breaks we can expect the next resistance level to be around 16,131. So there are no key resistance till there. So if 16,000 breaks we can expect easily 100 points upside in Nifty 50. Okay, so guys, this is the support and resistance level for Nifty 50, and this is the market analysis for tomorrow, which you guys can use it as your reference for the tomorrow's trading. Okay, and also if you guys wish to get live market updates like what stock I am buying, what stock I'm selling in the live market itself, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. You can join the course and I'll give you the live market updates. Okay, so guys, now let's talk about the two stocks what I've selected for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first stock is HDFC Life. Okay, so the HDFC Life has closed at 0.61% down today at 558, and this stock looks good for tomorrow's intraday trading. So the first support level for the stock is around 563, and below that the next support is around 556. Okay, so depending on where the stock will open tomorrow we can see how it will perform. So 558 is where it has closed today, so 556 is the next support level. If there's a little bit of a gap up also, it will go near 560, and in the morning for the rush movement it can touch 563 and take a resistance and come down. Or if it's opening above 560, if it goes above 563, if a good green candle comes, then we can expect the stock to go up till 572 if there's a good strong amount of buy level, and also even if the market comes in a good bullish way. Okay, and the resistance level are 572 and 577 for the HDFC Life. Okay, so coming to the second stock, that is Tata Steel. So you can see here Tata Steel closed at 1.76% up at 867.85. Okay, so here we can see that this stock has a first resistance level around 879 and 895, and the support level are around 863 and 851. So as of now it is closed at 867. Okay, so somewhere around here the price has been closed. Even if a market opens a little bit of a gap up and try to close above 879, the first 15 or 5 minutes candle, if it's closing above 878 or 879, then we can consider it to be bullish and we can buy it. Or if the stock takes resistance here and comes below 864, and we can also expect the stock can take a support at 864. If 864 goes below this, if a red candle closes below 864, then we can consider it as a short selling. Okay, so tomorrow once the market opens, okay, so deciding on tomorrow's how the situation will be, I'll decide buy or sell. Okay, so you can watch that live trade video in my channel once I complete the trade what I do. Okay, do subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for that. And also if you are new to a stock market trading and if you want to learn how to make consistent profit from intraday trading, you can join my course now. In my course I'll teach you what's exactly needed to make consistent profit. I'll teach you the simple, no complicated things, no indicators. I'll teach you the exact skill of making consistent profit in intraday trading. To provide NSE and MCX trading course, the course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. the link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance. Also I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. Okay, so if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to learn how to make consistent profit like this, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also, these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. Okay, that is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can go into my channel and watch all the videos. So every day I upload like how much profit I made in intraday trading, so you can watch all of this performance. And you can also see my client screenshot of profit in my blog, which I've given in the link in the description below of this video. And if you guys are motivated to make consistent profit from today, and if you guys wish to learn the good techniques to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.